share. So, how did this all start? Uh, how was the Ramayana composed? Who composed it? So, we all know that Ramayana was composed by Rishi Valmiki, and there's very little information about Rishi Valmiki in the Ramayana, so we don't know much about him. But he lived in the banks of a river in an ashram with his students. And one day, Devarishi Narada came visiting, and Rishi Valmiki asked Narada. He gave him a set of 16 qualities and said that, is there any man alive with these 16 qualities? So since Narada has travelled around the world and he knows everybody, he instantly replied Rama. And Rishi Valmiki was very interested to know about Rama. So Narada, explained the whole life of Rama to Rishi Valmiki, and then one day when the Rishi was going to the river, he saw two birds were playfully, playing with each other with a lot of love, and a hunter killed one of them. So this made the Rishi really angry, and he immediately cursed the hunter. So the curse came out in the form of a shloka, and he had a student also with him. So the student recited that shloka, and he kept thinking about the shloka over and over again. And that day he had vision of Brahmadeva. Brahmadeva came and said that he himself put the shloka in the Rishi's mind, and that Rishi Valmiki should compose the Ramayana as Rama's life and spread it across the world. So thus he got the entire story of Ramayana and he composed the Ramayana. And now the next task was to find the right set of disciples to share this with, right? So that's when Lava and Kusha came to the Rishi, and when he looked at Lava and Kusha, he saw Rama in them. So he made Lava and Kusha by heart the Ramayana, and wherever they went around singing Ramayana to all the people. And whenever they sang Ramayana, they sang it very perfectly, and all the people that listened to it really liked it, and they were filled with emotions. So one day Rama was performing a yajna in Ayodhya, and Rishi Valmiki along with his students went. So Lava and Kusha was singing this Ramayana along the streets of Ayodhya, and Rama saw that, and Rama invited them to the court to sing it in front of everybody in the court. So that's when Lava and Kusha sang the Ramayana in front of Rama himself, and this is how the Ramayana was composed.